Do you have data in your Snowflake Data Warehouse that you want to analyze directly in Julius? You can now connect Snowflake to Julius using our built-in integration. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to securely connect Julius to your Snowflake Data Warehouse using the authentication method that fits your organization best. To get started, you'll need a Snowflake account with the necessary permissions and the connection details and credentials for your preferred authentication method. Let's set it up together. In Julius, go to Connect Your Data and select Snowflake. You'll see 4 authentication modes to choose from: User Password, Programmatic Access Token, Private Key Authentication, or OAuth. Based on what you select, Julius will show you a form to fill out. In this walkthrough, I'll choose Private Key Authentication and fill in all of the details. Connection name, a friendly name to identify this Snowflake connection. Private key, your private key for authentication. Account, your Snowflake account identifier. User, your Snowflake username. DB, the database you want to connect to. Role, the Snowflake role to use. And Warehouse, the Snowflake warehouse to use. Once everything's filled in, click Add Connection. Once Julius validates your credentials, you could open a new chat or notebook and just start asking questions about your Snowflake data, all in plain English. Julius will pull the answers for you instantly, showing insights, summaries, and visualizations, all from your live Snowflake data. If you have any questions, reach out to team@julius.ai. Go ahead and connect Snowflake to Julius and turn your data into instant insights. Explore, analyze, and visualize, all in one place.